Every garage, workshop, or detailing setup needs reliable towels that can handle real messes without leaving streaks or lint behind. These microfiber shop towels are designed to deliver a noticeable upgrade over old-fashioned cotton rags and disposable paper towels. From the first wipe, their advanced microfiber construction grabs onto dirt, oil, dust, and spills instead of pushing them around, making cleanup quicker and more effective. The towels are made from super absorbent microfiber fabric that soaks up liquids with ease, helping you tackle everything from light touch-ups to heavier messes. Their soft, lint-free surface makes them safe to use on a wide variety of materials, including paint, glass, plastic, metal, and interior surfaces. Whether you are wiping down tools, cleaning vehicle interiors, or drying small areas, they provide hassle-free performance without scratching or leaving residue behind. Designed for convenience and value, each towel measures 13 by 15 inches, offering a practical size that is easy to handle and store. The set includes 20 towels, giving you plenty to keep on hand for different tasks around the garage, home, or vehicle. Because they are machine washable and reusable, these towels help reduce waste and save money over time compared to single-use paper products. Durability is another key benefit. With proper care, the towels maintain their absorbency and softness through repeated washes, making them a dependable part of your regular cleaning routine. Many users find they quickly become a go-to option for quick wipe-downs, polishing, and general maintenance both inside and outside the vehicle. If you are looking for an affordable, reusable cleaning solution that delivers consistent results, these microfiber shop towels are a smart choice. Click the product link in the video description to check current availability and pricing. Subscribe to the channel for more practical tools, honest reviews, and everyday solutions that make your work cleaner and easier.